Hi, my name is Barry, and today I will tell you everything you need to know about Folifort before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Folifort is to be careful with the website you are going to buy Folifort from, because Folifort is only sold on the official website, and there are many other sites that are selling the Folifort. Then you need to be careful not to end up losing your money or harming your health. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Folifort and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. What is Folifort? Folifort is a nutrition supplement sold exclusively online through getfolifort.com. The supplement claims that to use natural ingredients to help men and women avoid hair loss. According to the official website, Folifort makes balding optional. After taking the supplement, anyone can quickly restore lost hair using natural ingredients. The supplement claims to specifically target alopecia, a hair loss condition that affects nearly half of all men in a quarter of all women. By taking 2 capsules of Folifort daily, you can give your body and hair the ingredients needed to reverse hair loss. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Folifort, and you can have same results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. How does Folifort work? According to scientists, hair loss may be linked to a steroid hormone known as DHT. This hormone is a derivative of testosterone that accumulates in the body. As the years go by, as DHT levels rise, it causes blockage in hair follicles, leading to an inhibition of hair growth. An enzyme known as 5-ARD is responsible for the continued accumulation of DHT in the body, which is harmful. It is essential to add various nutrients such as minerals and vitamins to your diet to limit the action of this hormone. With Folifort, you may restore and maintain your hair since it combines the right blend of ingredients to block 5-ARD and promote the restoration and strengthening of hair. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Folifort for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you refund money back. Folifort refund policy: a 60-day money back guarantee backs Folifort. You can request a complete refund on Folifort within 60 days of your purchase if you don't regrow your lost hair within 60 days, or if you are unhappy with the effects of Folifort for any reason, then you are entitled to a complete refund with no questions asked. You need to take it every single day, 2 capsules after eating your evening meal with a glass of water, or else you won't see great results and you will actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in first month, but most people have better results after the 3 months using this product. I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy for apart from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results may will be very different from any other person because your organisms acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Folifort actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product